Hello children, how are you all? Okay children, tell me one thing. What do you do on your birthday?
I host a birthday party.
Oh, that's great.
And we bring a cake.
Yes, very good.
Invite our friends.
Very good.
And decorate our house.
Very good. So today is birthday of John. I'm going to tell you a story, and in that story there's an old man. His name is John, and today is his birthday. His wife Jane is baking a gingerbread for him. So let's see what happens to that gingerbread, okay?
The Gingerbread Man. An old man named John and his wife Jane live in a cottage. Today is John's birthday. Jane decides to bake a cake for him. When John works in the garden, Jane goes into the kitchen. She decides to make some gingerbread. Suddenly, she has an idea. Let me make the gingerbread in the shape of a man. I shall call him Ginger, says Jane. So Jane rolls out the dough and cuts it out in the shape of a man. She places a small cookie for the mouth. Then she places 2 chocolate chips for the eyes and 3 red cherries for buttons. Next, she puts the gingerbread man in the baking tray and places the tray in the oven to bake. She waits for some time. Then she puts her oven mitts and opens the oven door. But as she does so, the gingerbread man gets up from the baking tray and jumps down. He runs out of the house through the open door. Jane runs after him. Ginger, wait, don't go. We shall have you for dinner, she says. Oh no, you can't have me for dinner, says Ginger. Then he sings, Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I am the gingerbread man. And he runs away. Bessie Cow sees him. Hey, wait, you look tasty. She moves. But Ginger sings, Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. And he runs away. On the way, Peppy Pig tries to catch Ginger. But Ginger sings, Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. And he runs away. Soon Ginger comes to a river. He wants to cross it, but if he falls into the water, he will become soggy. He doesn't know what to do. Suddenly he hears a voice. It is Furry Fox. Do you want me to take you across the river? Asks Furry. Yes, but will you eat me up? Says Ginger. Oh no, climb on my back. I can't reach you there. When you get the other side, you can jump off, says Furry. Ginger likes the idea. He hops onto Furry's back. When they get to the middle of the river, Furry says, The water is deeper here. Hop onto my head. Okay, says Ginger. He jumps onto Furry's head. After some time, Furry says, You are heavy. My head hurts. Please sit on my snout. Okay, says Ginger and sits on Furry's snout. As soon as Ginger sits on Furry's snout, Furry tosses him in the air and catches him in his mouth. With a big gulp, he gobbles Ginger. Thus ends the story of the gingerbread man.
So children, how was the story?
Very interesting.
Okay, so now you will read this lesson again and again. Okay, and you will also memorize the notes which I will give you. Okay.
Children, these new words are your dictation words. Okay? I'll read out to you. Gingerbread, cottage, dough, cookie, cherries, buttons, through, soggy, snout, gobbles. Give meanings. Dough, a mixture of flour, water, etc. that is made into bread or cake. Mitts, gloves. But unlike a glove, a mitt generally has only two openings, one for the thumb and another for the fingers. Soggy, very wet. Snout, nose. Tosses, throws. Gobbles, eats up. Tick right, true or false. It is Jane's birthday. False. Jane bakes a gingerbread man. True. The gingerbread man runs away. True. Bessie cow catches ginger. False. Furry fox eats ginger. True. Answer in one or two words. What is the old man's name? John. What does Jane use for Ginger's mouth? Small cookie. How many red cherries does Jane use? 3. What does Ginger want to cross? River. Answer the following. What does Jane use to make Ginger's eyes? Jane uses chocolate chips to make Ginger's eyes. Why does Jane use red cherries? Jane uses red cherries for the gingerbread man's buttons. What will happen if Ginger falls into the river? He will become soggy. Why does Furry ask Ginger to sit on his snout? Because Ginger is heavy and Furry's head is hurting. Okay children, now see here few words are given. So you have to make any one small word. Okay. So children, up till now we have learnt that one thing is called singular. Example, cow, mango, and many things are called plural. Example, cows, mangoes. We add s or es to the word to make it plural. We also add ves or ies to make plurals. Example, knife, knives. Baby, babies. Match the singular with the plural. Draw lines to match them. Fairy, fairies. Wolf, wolves. Lady, ladies. Parrot, parrots. Fox, foxes. Box, boxes. Okay children, now here there are some pictures and we will write the correct word. Okay. So the first one, swim, spade, star, swing, stick, spin. Now come on, tell me which sound are they beginning with? Okay, so you have to underline that sound. Okay. Put the sentences in correct order by numbering them and then write these sentences in the lines given below. Okay, so the first one, what does the Jane do first? Jane rolls out the dough and cuts it out in the shape of a man. Then she makes the mouth, eyes and buttons. Next, she puts the gingerbread man in the baking tray. Then she places the tray in the oven to bake. Next, She waits for it to bake, and then finally she puts on her oven mitts and opens the oven door. So here you will write those sentences, okay?